Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Good Tag, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross-Racing, coming to you at dusk in the Texas Hill Country. Decided to come out and try out my new Daymakers that I just purchased and installed. Kind of see how bright they are compared to stock. Give you guys a little comparison. Didn't necessarily do it before, but I think you guys pretty much know what your stock halogen headlights look like. These are definitely a lot more white. They're definitely a lot more bright. At first I thought I was, you can see how it's illuminating way up. And those are actually the passing lights. So the passing lights are quite a bit brighter than the previous ones, which is pretty awesome. Problem is, I thought that the high beams were on, and that's not necessarily the case. So if I go to high beams, that's the high beams. You can see it's like treetop level. So definitely got a little adjusting to do, because unless I want to shoot down planes, that's not going to help me out much. But so far the low beams are looking pretty good. It's got a nice spread. I'll see if I can adjust. I don't know how much of adjustment I can actually do on the passing lights, but I can give it a whirl. Passing lights are a PETA to adjust, because you have to full on take off the turn signals to go underneath to get to an up below it, so then that way you can actually rock and pivot it and adjust it, so on and so forth. So it's good to know that I might need to do that before before the trip I have coming up. Get everything dialed in. But it's nice and bright. These things definitely illuminate a lot better at night, that's for sure. The high beams are freaking hilarious though. I'll have to get those fixed. Passing lights aren't too bad. I think ultimately I just have to adjust, because that's without passing lights, that's with passing lights. So I think my passing lights are fine. It's just the, I installed them using the factory ring that I did not remove, adjustment ring. So technically they shouldn't have to take much adjustment, but obviously different lights, looks like I'll need to adjust those. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and press that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last done start, gotta tell the ground.